नमस्कार। आज हम हैं एमकेएन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के प्रांगण में, जहाँ की प्रिंसिपल मिसेस रुचिका यादव जी आज हमारे साथ हैं। आइए इनसे बात करते हैं। तो मैम, आपने आज ये जो अपने स्कूल में मदर्स डे का प्रोग्राम किया है, इसकी प्रेरणा आपको कहाँ से मिली?
There is a very favorite quotation of mine which says Namatu par Devatam, which means mothers are the greatest of all gods. जहाँ हम भगवान की पूजा करते हैं, so I think mothers are individuals जिन्होंने हमें जन्म दिया है, and they are often seen as the unsung heroes of our families. They are working mothers, they are homemakers. I don't like the word housewife for mothers. I think the word homemaker justifies the identity of a mother because उनसे ही घर बनता है. एंड अगर एक दिन हमें ऐसा मिले जब हम उन माओं को थैंक यू बोले, not only for giving us birth, for making us individual useful for society. So this day, MK International has chosen to pay tribute to all the mothers who are irreplaceable at their homes, जिनकी जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. So उन सभी माओं को हमने एक ट्रिब्यूट दिया है एंड ऑनर किया है अपने स्कूल के जरिए, एंड वी हैव मेड देम फील how valuable they are not only for their family but especially their kids.
वेरी वेल सेड मैम, दैट वाज सो हार्ट टचिंग। तो आपने क्या सोचकर स्कूल में ये प्रोग्राम किया? आपको क्यों ज़रूरी लगा कि स्कूल में होना चाहिए ये
I think
प्रोग्राम?
school is just not about academics or an successful academic session. With education, we must also teach the students, especially the younger generation and senior kids, why is the role of a mother important. So मुझे लगता है कि ये सारे ही स्कूल हैं जो उनको मदर्स डे ज़रूर सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं अभी जो हमारी यंगर जनरेशन है, they are very goal oriented, they want fast success, and in the haste of life they often forget to thank the wind behind their wings, that is their mother. क्योंकि एक छोटा बच्चा हो या बड़ा बच्चा हो, उनके माँ के बिना उनके दिन की शुरुआत नहीं होती. तो जो भी वो करती हैं, एक दिन ऐसा सभी स्कूल को अरेंज करना चाहिए जहां बच्चा अपनी माँ की इंपॉर्टेंस सीखे, और जो मम्मियां हैं वो भी अपनी माँ को ट्रिब्यूट दे, क्योंकि हमारे इस मदर्स डे में एक सेक्शन था fastest finger first. The game, it was a game and it was a very easy game where the mothers had to call their own mothers and say happy mothers day to them. और जिनकी भी मदर्स ने पहले रिप्लाई किया, ये कॉल आया, उससे हमें ये बहुत बड़ी सीख मिलती है दैट वी हैव नॉट फॉरगेटन देम, इवन दो वी हैव ग्रोन अप एंड बिकम अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल इंडिविजुअल. हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ अपनी मदर्स को भी इस सेगमेंट में इंक्लूड हमने किया है, which is I think an idea which everybody should inculcate and practice.
So ma'am, what message do you want to give to the mothers of this generation?
I think today's mothers are multitasking. So the first suggestion or advice that I would like to give the mothers is to keep track of their health, be healthy, so that they can take care of their kids and their family. Many a times बहुत सारी चीज़ों को करने में mothers अपनी health को sacrifice करती हैं, neglect करते हैं. So it should be on priority. Secondly, I would request all the mothers to learn at least some skill this summer vacation, क्योंकि बच्चे घर पे रहेंगे, स्कूल भेजने का या अर्ली उठने का वो जो बर्डन है थोड़ा कम होगा. So I would request them कि at least कोई skill learn करे. It can be driving, it can be something that they like. Thirdly, I would like to suggest them or advise them that be the change you want to be in the society. जो changes आप देखना चाहते हो, especially boy kid की जो mother हैं, teach them something through stories, how to respect women, girls, because if they learn their lessons well, our girls will be safer. And I hope that all the mothers will listen to what advices are being told, because it is high time now the generation sees a mom which is a multitasking mother. It's not just one role, but it's multiple roles sufficing into one. So I would like to wish a very happy, healthy Mother's Day to all the mothers on behalf of the school and management of MK International School. And you mean a lot to us, and we are proud Indian moms, multitasking, looking after the families, and making our children into responsible citizen of India. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure to meet you, and all the
Same here.
best for your upcoming summer camp.
Thank you. And I hope this Mother's Day, you just not wish them Happy Mother's Day or thank you. Also say sorry for things that we don't understand and say thank you for the things that they do for us. Thank you. It was pleasure meeting you and conducting this fun interview. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much,
Jai
ma'am.
Hind.